Welcome to Racer Machinery International, a world-class manufacturing facility dedicated to excellence and cutting-edge technology. Join us as we take you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour, offering a glimpse into the heart of our operations. At Racer Machinery International, our manufacturing facility is a hub of innovation, precision, and meticulous craftsmanship. Every corner resonates with the expertise and dedication of our skilled technicians as they bring our vision to life. Our talented team works tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of technology, conducting rigorous tests, and fine-tuning every aspect of our machines to ensure unrivaled performance and durability. Witness the symphony of machinery on our production floor, where skilled technicians meticulously assemble and calibrate each component with unparalleled precision. From the intricate gears to the complex mechanisms, our attention to detail ensures that every machine meets the highest standards of quality. The air is charged with excitement as we collaborate on the next generation of CNC machines and automated systems. Here, innovation and problem-solving intertwine, shaping the future of manufacturing. We are committed to creating machines that streamline production processes, enhance productivity, and empower businesses to thrive in a competitive landscape. As you walk through our facility, you'll notice a pervasive culture of excellence and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Our manufacturing facility is more than just a space. It's a testament to our commitment to delivering exceptional results to our valued customers. At Racer Machinery International, we take pride in partnering with businesses around the globe, revolutionizing their operations and propelling their success. Our machines have transformed production capabilities, optimizing efficiency, and boosting profitability for our clients. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive behind-the-scenes journey through our manufacturing facility.